Is it recording?
Yes.
All right, we've come back to Concord. What is this called? You don't have to point it at me, baby.
Oh, that's right. Sorry. I don't remember what it's called.
This is Blood Road?
Bloody... Oh, the dog is running alongside of Bloody River Run. Those dogs are a little scary.
Yep, we've already been attacked by a dog. This is the scary part
We've been
of the
chased by the dog.
countryside. So as we get in the trail, you probably want to raise it up above the...
Out the window, you mean?
just raise it up so you can see out. Bloody Run Trail. We're coming back for our second attempt because there's a creek crossing that was just not crossable last time.
But it rained yesterday, so we're not sure how much water is in the creek.
But the fun is in the journey. Alright, I'm going to start this. I'm going to start... recording. We are on the trail. I have to remember that recording everything I pick with my nose.
Then let's keep it PG.
Peachy King.
PG.
Oh, PG. We gotta keep it PG. We do have editing. Our first obstacle, a bridge.
And a puddle.
So there's the creek there. Exciting stuff. What we're doing is we just went on onX off-road mapping and we searched for the nearest off-road places, and this is the second on the list. We've already been down Bead Camp Road. This is the second one, and so it's really just a back country road, but there are some creek crossings and stuff, and it's just beautiful. It's not really four-wheel driving per se, but we like to pretend that it is. Yeah, we're coming up on our first creek crossing. I don't know if it's going to be a bridge or what. Can't remember. Nice bridge. I guess we can just leave it out of four-wheel drive.
12-ton limit on the weight. I think we're good. We had small breakfast.
Yes. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, she's running pretty good. So I don't know. Guess we're gonna find out. So this is our roof cam. We're doing a rooftop view. like right here. That way it's getting both of us and we're talking to it. And
Okay.
there's the creek. You see the creek right here?
Mhm.
Right there it is. I think it's going to be passable, baby.
Well, there's passable and survivable, Michael.
Right.
Not just us, but the vehicle.
That's true.
We want us all to come out intact on the other
Now
end.
remember, this is classified as easy.
We just slid a little there. I felt that. Did you feel that?
Nope. You're very sensitive. This is Bloody Run Road. That's what we're on. Bloody Run Road.
Doesn't sound very appealing, does it? The name.
We're coming up on the crossing. We're going to run a parallel to the river for a while, then cut across a clearing, and then it's time. Will we be turned back?
Stay tuned.
That's the question. Stay tuned. This is exciting.
Another puddle.
We took a puddle. Child play. Now Gabrielle is starting to get a little apprehensive.
My feet are a little sweaty.
But we've never felt more alive. This time, before we start across, if we start across, I'm going to have it in 4-wheel low. And center locker's on. Let's see how that goes. Alright, we're coming up on a crossing. I think this is the one that got us. I think. I'm pretty sure this is it. Will we do it? That's the question. Da, 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 da. Oh, this is a piece of cake, baby.
I don't know.
It's a piece of cake.
I don't know. Let's see. There's still that deep part. Looks pretty deep. See
This
how
is
deep?
exciting right here.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Let's pause for a minute
All
and
right.
discuss because
I
I
can see
think
the
it's
bottom,
it's a
baby.
lot deeper.
I can see the bottom. This is where it's getting exciting. So we're gonna put it in 4-wheel low. And we're gonna put center locker on. And let's just put rear locker on.
I'm gonna roll up my pants just in case.
You got the camera rolling?
It's rolling.
We'll see. I can still see the bottom right here.
It's pretty deep.
I still see the bottom right there. I still see the bottom. This is where we'll feel it out right here. I see the bottom right there. I think we're good, baby. Now, can we get up this? That's the question. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's... Maybe we should do this.
I can hold
Without even breathing hard.
it. Did it? We did it.
I'm proud of you, baby.
Access granted.
Now we can undo all the 4-wheel drive stuff that we engaged. didn't even think about not doing it.
Well, she didn't beep this time and start hollering at us. So
No, that was fun.
good job. Why does it not sound great right now?
What?
Something's not sounding right.
ACS turned off. Parking brake support off. Let's make sure that it got to shift to 4. Adaptive cruise. Everything is good. All right.
I could hear that it wasn't.
Boy, that didn't even think about not climbing that hill. That was so cool.
Okay. Good
We did
job.
it.
We did it.
We conquered it. Don't just keep filming. We got to go to the end of the trail, but no more river crossings. I felt good because I could see I could see rocks all the way
Okay.
across.
Okay.
So I knew it wasn't going to be above the depth of the car.
I'm amazed it was as clear, that it wasn't muddy.
Right.
Like
But did
we
you
just
see
passed
how?
a lot of muddy streams.
Did you see how it climbed up that other bank?
Yeah.
Man,
that
it was just like this is no problem.
Yeah.
It didn't even spin a wheel.
Yeah.
All right, we're still on the trail.
There's water. ahead.
Oh, we got another one. This is still the trail. Boy, this is cool. Wow, look at this. This is so cool. Little trail.
Hi. We made it.
We made it. We're still exploring though. We're almost to the end of Bloody Run Trail. And we don't really want to know why they call it Bloody Run Road. That's scary.
See how the road is washed out to the right.
Yeah, this is
Little
cool.
narrow passage here.
We're in a jungle.
It's very dark. Dark and deep and mysterious.
Oh, I'm proud of the Land Cruiser.
Good job, Landy Blue.
Man, that creek was nothing. This is beautiful. We're almost to the end of the official run.
So far, we're the only ones out here challenging this course today.
I have to agree, I would classify this as easy, but it's easy / fun, so it's a good beginner road for us to get our feet wet, so to speak.
Or not get our feet wet. That was
Or
the
not
main
get
goal.
them wet.
Not literally get the feet wet. But I did wear my waterproof shoes just in case.
I'm so happy that we conquered it.
I just like seeing what's on the other side, so this is pretty cool. We got a horse farm. We got some
There it
horses
is.
nodding at us. Hey, buddy.
And that is our second off-road trail, Bloody Run Road. We'll go back and film Beat Camp Road one day. It's kind of cool, actually. I think it's a little bit more fun than this one. Beat Camp. All right.